Hey guys, so just going to show you what we carry inside of our backpacks when we go hiking. We get a lot of questions asking what's in there, so we'll do a quick run through. We're here in the Grampians at the moment. So we keep gloves and beanies. These are especially handy in Tassie, and you know, if you do get lost, you got a bit of warmth. We carry a head torch. So again, if you find some caves or you somehow getting a bit lost and it's getting into dark, you've got a head torch to find your way back. We also have some, I just got some tights, just some spare tights. We've got some snacks, so some dry perishables that just live in here. So we've just got some energy bars and some Wheat Bix biscuits. So that's really good. We also have a lighter, so if we need to start a fire, we've got ourselves a lighter. And that's it for that one. And in here, the big section, we carry some fruit. It's always good to have some fruit and some snacks to get those energy levels back up, especially if you're on a big hike. So some fruit's always good. We carry our first aid kit, which is a snake bite kit, which I'll show you in a bit. And some more nuts. So nuts, another great dry food that can help recharge. And we also carry, this is for when Rusty is allowed to come on hikes, a collapsible water bowl for her. So that just lives in there and it can't hurt, it's lightweight, and means she can get a drink too. So we'll jump on over and I'll show you the snake bite kit. Alright, so we'll take a look inside our rescue swag. This cost us under $100 and it lives inside of our backpack. So, open her up here for you. And check this out. It's under $100. So it's got your Dr. ABCD, what happens in an emergency, and it comes with 3 individual kits, which I love. So the top one is minor injuries, and it lists everything it's got in it, all the contents. So minor injuries, you know, if you cut yourself, whatnot. And you've got the snake bite kit. Snake bite kit here, bandages, and it will tell you what to do. And then you've got the major injury pack. So that's if you're losing a limb, something very serious, you need that pack. But the bag also doubles as a splint, and you can actually use it as a bucket. So it's multi-purpose. But yeah, really good. And yeah, I love it, just folds up. So small. Let's do it back up. And 1, 2, and then put it back on. Tiny, but it could save your life or someone else's, so definitely recommend taking a first aid kit in your bag. Alright, let's have a look at the rest of the stuff. Alright, so you saw inside the snake bite kit. I did forget to mention, in my backpack I carry a knife, so the knife lives in my backpack. And also both me and Kurt both always take our mobile phones, just for photos, and you'd be surprised you can get reception on the top of mountains. If we are somewhere quite remote, I mean, like, we're probably not going to see anyone, I will tend to slip in our EPIRB in the backpack as well, so that's that distress beacon. You'll see in another video, but yeah, if you're doing a hike quite remote and you think you're not going to see anyone all day, yeah, definitely take a sat phone or maybe an emergency beacon. But yeah, I'll pop you over to Kurt and you can have a look what's in his backpack.
Alright, so you sticky beaks want to have a look and see what's inside of my bag, eh? Well, let's show you. First off, just got a multi-tool, because you never know when you can need something like that. Second thing, camera tripod for the digital camera. I got some bait, and you'll be asking yourself, what do you need that for, Kurt? And what I've got in here is a collapsible fishing rod. So if I see anything good and I want to go fishing, boom, I'm ready to go. So gotta have a fishing rod. Also, I got 3 litres of water. I'm the camel of the group, so I carry all the water. 3 litres is plenty. We'll probably only use like 1.5 to 2 litres, so it's always good to have that little bit extra if you need it. But yeah, that's about it. That's about all I carry. Have a go at this thing in the background. Some sort of bird. We think it's like a duck or something like that. If you know what it is, leave us a comment in the comment section, let us know. But yeah, that about wraps it up for me. So, back at you guys.
Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up the tour of what's inside of our backpacks.
We're currently at the Grampians, as you can see. Beautiful behind us.
Yeah, at the balconies.
Yep. So just about to go on another hike.
Yeah, alright. See you later.
Ciao.